Hey there guys, LadiesMan9990 here again. I'm just on the interwebs, inter-YouTubes, and I don't know really. I think I'm gonna sing Chocolate Rain for you. I think you guys would like that, yeah? Turn that down! Hey, quiet. My video. Chocolate rain. Some stay dry and others feel the pain. Chocolate rain. Baby born will die before the sin. Chocolate rain. The school will say it can't be here again. Chocolate rain. The prisons make you wonder where it went. Chocolate rain. Build a tent and save the world to try. Chocolate rain. Zoom the camera out and see the light. Chocolate rain. All has to be falling yesterday. Chocolate rain. Only in the past is what they say. Chocolate rain. Raise your neighborhood insurance rates. Chocolate rain. Okay. Makes us happy living in a gay chocolate rain. Made me cross the street the other day. Chocolate rain. Made you turn your head the other way. Chocolate rain. History quickly crashing through your veins. Chocolate rain. Using you to fall back down again. Chocolate rain. Quickly crashing through your veins. Chocolate rain. Using you to fall back down again. Chocolate rain. Tell them mention on the radio. Chocolate rain. It's the fear your leaders car control. Chocolate rain. Worse than swearing, worse than calling names. Chocolate rain. Say it publicly and you're insane. Chocolate rain. No one wants to hear about it now. Chocolate rain. Which real hard it goes away somehow. Chocolate rain. Makes the best of friends begin to fight. Chocolate rain. Pretend they know each other in the light. Chocolate rain. Every February washed away. Chocolate rain. Stays behind as colors celebrate. Chocolate rain. The same crime has a higher price to pay. Chocolate rain. The judge and jury swear it's not the fate. Chocolate rain. History quickly crashing through your veins. Chocolate rain. Using you to fall back down again. Chocolate rain. History quickly crashing through your veins. Chocolate rain. Using you to fall back down again. Chocolate rain. Dirty secrets of economy. Chocolate rain. Turn your body into GD with chocolate rain. The milker blames the baby's DNA. Chocolate rain. But guess those are how much the parents make. Chocolate rain. How long is this song? Crossing cars and friends the other night. Chocolate rain. Cleans the sewers out beneath Mumbai. Chocolate rain. Across the world and back it's all the same. Chocolate rain. Angels cry and shake their heads in shame. Chocolate rain. Leave the ark of paradise and send chocolate rain. Which part do you think you're living in? Chocolate rain. More than March and more than past and law. Chocolate rain. Remake how we are to where we are. Chocolate rain. History crashing through your veins. Chocolate rain. Using you to fall back down again. Chocolate rain. History quickly crashing through your veins. Chocolate rain. Using you to fall back down again. Chocolate rain. Sorry, let me shut this up. Okay.
So please subscribe. It's right there. Please subscribe, and don't do anything bad. Don't leave bad comments or anything. Please leave good comments, or my mother will beat me.